Welcome to Mama My Strength Kitchen. Let's cook together. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. To make packet mixed chocolate cake, following are the ingredients. I'm using Great Values Devil Food chocolate cake mix. It's a Walmart brand and these are the following ingredients that it requires with instructions at the back, stating the heat level, etc. The very first step for me here will be to grease the pan with butter, and I'm using the non-stick pan here. Here is my cake mix: butter, 3 eggs as stated on the package, and I've got 1 cup of milk here. Now I'm going to be mixing all these ingredients together and beat it fine so that there are no lumps left behind into a smooth batter. I don't have a cake beater and I'm using a manual beater, so it's gonna take a little bit of manpower here. My daughter loves to eat cake, so she has requested, that is why I'm making this, and she loves this package here. So I'm doing a pre-mix chocolate cake baking here. So you can see that my batter is now nicely mixed with milk and butter. I'm now adding eggs. Now I'm gonna whisk it. The batter is now ready to be placed in the pan, and you can see the smoothness. I'll be baking it on 350 degrees in the oven. But for that you will need to preheat the oven at the same time. Friends, now I'm going to put the baking tray in the oven. You can see the cake is there. I normally on the light and then bake so that I can see. And now I'm showing you what the cake looks like. The cake is ready now. I'm using a plastic cake server plate. It comes with a cover, and I'm going to use Hershey chocolate icing to top up my chocolate cake here. When you have kids at home, you are bound to make this type of desserts or things because they love it, but also to see that not too much. Sometimes we need to think about the health as well. You can see that I've got the sprinklers for the cake. It's an option. If you want to add that, you can, or you can use cocoa powder with sugar and mix them, and then you can add it. People also use cake crumbs to decorate on the top as well. I'm using a fork just to add some design on top. Once this designing is done, you can pick your cake topping decoration that you want to apply. I'm using a simple, some call it 100,000 lollies, and others call it the sprinklers, the rainbow colored ones. So I'm just gonna use that to decorate this cake. I hope you like the way I'm decorating the cake. I can leave it simple, but I have a child who looks forward to things and she sees things in a different way. So I want to do it for her. I want to present this cake for my daughter in such a way as if it was bought from Walmart or perhaps Bel Air, and it was specially for her. My daughter loves baking, but this was just to surprise her. Now I'm gonna add the sprinklers. Friends, if you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.